Yeah, that easterly wind pushing the lake fog onshore, and that is certainly strong right now across Milwaukee. You can see from our Marquette cam, still quite foggy, and the temperatures have dropped because of it. 48 degrees in Milwaukee. Similar story in Port Washington. Lowered visibility. Temperature right at 40 or 52 degrees. Very different look outside in West Bend. Blue skies, 63 degrees. Looks absolutely beautiful there. Similar story in Oconomowoc. Look how calm and quiet La Clobell is. 61 degrees. Very quiet winds. However, they are from the east. So, of course, that is pushing some of that cooler, chilled air from Lake Michigan onshore. So that's why it's a little bit cooler and foggy at the lake with that dense fog advisory continuing until 10 p.m. tonight. Then things are going to start to change. Notice the winds again, very light right now. That is not going to be the case as we go into the overnight hours. They're going to start to turn around to being from the southeast, and they're really going to start to ramp up. By the time we get to about 8 o'clock, those wind gusts 30 to almost up to 40 miles an hour expected throughout your Monday. It is going to be a blustery start to the work week. On top of that, we're talking some rain on the way. But what's going to happen with those wind? It's going to basically push some more water onshore. So there's going to be a lakeshore flood advisory from Milwaukee County up through Ozaukee and Sheboygan County, where we could be seeing 6 to 10 foot waves, and there could be some localized flooding near Lake Michigan, especially some of those lower lying areas. Bradford Beach, I'm looking at you for tomorrow. All because we'll be between this system and the cold front that went through yesterday. So of course that's really going to bring up those southeasterly winds. Again, gusts anywhere from 35 to 40 miles an hour. So hopefully you got to see some of those leaves throughout the day today, because those are going to be coming down over the next 2 days. Here's a look at satellite. You can see that lake fog earlier today, and then that easterly breeze started to push that onshore. Overnight tonight, fog will not be an issue. The clouds will start to stream on in. That's ahead of the rain. Notice at 7 a.m. it's just going to be windy. By about 9-10 o'clock, here's the first round of rain. That could be heavy at times. Another round with the cold front pushing through later in the day. Most of this wraps up by about 5 o'clock in the evening, and then it's just going to be pure old breezy as we get into your Tuesday. Wraparound showers are possible. These will be very light in nature. The main story is certainly going to be wind. How much rain are we talking? A lot more rain up to our north and to our west. A little closer to home, more like 1/4 of an inch up to 1/2 of an inch of rain expected from this entire system. Tonight, though, we are still staying dry. 49 your overnight low in Milwaukee. Increasing clouds, increasing winds, especially for tomorrow. It's going to be wet, windy, and wavy for your Monday. And then the temperatures just really start to fall down to 40 or 51 on Tuesday. We get the 40s with another cold front as we get into your Thursday and Friday. Next weekend is not looking too bad. It's just much cooler than what we've got this weekend.
The 3 W's, huh, tomorrow?
Right.
Wet, windy, and wavy. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in myself. That was a little lazy Sunday, and I didn't get out enough to enjoy it because I feel like it's now gone.
Yep.
I'll have to wait till April.
Goodbye.